Hello everyone, welcome to Management Kaksha, a one-stop solution for all your management-related queries. We will be covering about the planning function in detail in the upcoming videos. Do stay tuned. In this video, we will talk about the meaning and definition of planning. Meaning of planning. There are 5 management functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. So planning is the first step in the functions among the 5 functions of management. Planning is more of a thinking function. It is the process of thinking before doing. You think of going out somewhere before actually going out. The part where you think is called planning. This is a futuristic action. That is, it is done for the future. As a process, planning involves conscious determination of future course of action in order to achieve the desired results. In business, future is very important. Though it cannot be predicted in exact terms, it can be guessed so to a certain extent. Instead of leaving them to chance, future events are made to happen in a certain recognized manner through planning. Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, and by whom to get it done. Thus, it is a predetermined course of action to achieve a specified aim or goal. Planning determines the time of action to achieve the predetermined organizational goals. It is a deliberate and conscious research used to formulate the design and sequence of actions through which it is expected to help to achieve its objectives. For every course of action or for anything in general, there are always alternatives. Planning involves choosing of one of the various alternatives available for accomplishing the desired result with the greatest economy. In a nutshell, if planning is based on reliable information and is complete and is up to date and has dependable data, then it pays rich dividends in the form of higher and quicker accomplishment of tasks that are set for. Definitions of planning. Planning is the continuous process of making present entrepreneurial decisions systematically and with best possible knowledge of their futurity. In the words of Alfred and Beatty, planning is the thinking process, the organized foresight, the vision-based facts and experience that is required for intelligent action. According to Coates and O'Donnell, planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do it, when to do it, and who is to do it. Planning bridges the gap from where we are to where we want to go. It makes it possible for things to occur which would not happen otherwise. Farmer and Richmond regard that planning is essentially decision-making since it involves choosing among alternatives. According to Harley, planning is deciding in advance what is to be done. It involves the selection of objectives, policies, procedures, and programs from among the alternatives. A careful analysis of the above definitions of planning reveals that planning is concerned with future and its essence is looking ahead. It involves thinking and analysis of information. It involves predetermined course of action. It is concerned with the establishment of objectives to be attained in the future. It is fundamentally a problem of choosing after a careful study of alternative courses. It involves decision making. Its objective is to achieve better results. It is a continuous and integrated process. There is planning involved in every human activity. But in the business field, the need for planning is all the more important because of various factors, such as fluctuations in demand, growing competition, introduction of new products, scarcity of resources, changing technology, change of prices, government policies, etc. Organizational activity without a plan is likely to be ineffective and will drift without achieving success. Hence, planning is a must for business organizations. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like the videos.